1 second of latency in an automated Gigafactory isn't just a delay, it's a million-dollar collision. In the legacy era, securing 5G meant routing data back to a slow 4G core, leaving a multi-billion-dollar industrial backbone vulnerable to catastrophic shutdowns. The breakthrough? 5G standalone integrated natively with AI-driven edge firewalls. We are moving security from the cloud directly to the factory floor, slashing latency to a record 27 milliseconds while enabling true hardware-level network slicing. Industry leaders are moving fast. Ericsson is now deploying Agentic Wrap as a service, providing secure AI automation for the radio access network. The impact: global supply chains can finally transition to fully autonomous AgenticOps, where logistics networks self-manage and self-secure without human intervention.
Our app as a service is our next frontier. We bring the best of the two worlds, telco and public cloud, together.
So when I talk to our customers, it's clear that we can't keep doing the same thing and expect a different outcome, because the true power of 5G is to offer differentiated connectivity. A bespoke experience to subscribers like you and me, but also to an ambulance or the police to stay connected with the right SLA in terms of the speed and latency at all times.
Meanwhile, Palo Alto Networks has launched a verified AI security solution for Siemens Industrial 5G by delivering deep packet inspection for OT protocols without performance trade-offs. They've solved the security versus speed dilemma, effectively shielding gigafactories from cyber-physical attacks while maintaining peak production velocity. Cisco rounds out the defense, launching the Silicon One G300 and a post-quantum cryptographic SD-WAN with AT&T. This ensures that highly sensitive B2B data is future-proofed against the quantum decryption threats of the next decade.
You are the EVP of the Common Hardware Group at Cisco.
That's right.
Whatever does that mean, the Common Hardware Group?
We're building hardware as common platform for all of Cisco. So anything from Wi-Fi access point to video cameras to catalyst switches to routers to core routers to hyperscale AI infrastructure switches.
The financial trajectory is undeniable. NextMove Strategy Consulting charts the global 5G security market valuation scaling to $25.45 billion by 2030, riding a continuous 40.7% CAGR. North America is currently leading the charge with a 30% global market share, fueled by federal mandates for sovereign infrastructure and the CHIPS Act's push for secure-by-design domestic manufacturing. For investors and supply chain leaders, the era of 5G security is no longer a luxury. It is the price of entry for the AI-driven economy. Read the full intelligence report at NextMove Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more market intelligence.